a detox cure, which is supposed to help the liver eliminate toxins from the body, does not necessarily rhyme with a drastic diet and a liquid-only diet. To regain tonus as autumn approaches. Need a few detox tips to purify your body, strengthen your immune system and regain all your energy? Follow the video. No need to fast to feel fit. On a daily basis, we can adopt simple little habits to cleanse our body and help it function better. It is possible to help the liver, our body's natural filter, to do its job of eliminating toxins. 1. Epsom magnesium sulfate salt bath. This salt takes its name from the Epsom station in the United Kingdom, where it was widely used. 1. Epsom magnesium sulfate salt bath. This salt takes its name from the Epsom station in the United Kingdom, where it was widely used. Pour 2 or 3 handfuls into the bath water, stay in it for at least 20 minutes to give the body time to assimilate the minerals, because the 2 compounds of this salt, sulfate and magnesium, are absorbed very well by the skin. Be careful, it is not recommended for people suffering from edema, kidney failure, high blood pressure or heart problems. 2. Lemon in the morning. Jumping out of bed, squeeze a lemon in a glass of warm water. The mixture will rehydrate your body, which has dehydrated overnight, providing potassium, calcium and magnesium. Lemon juice is a good ally of the liver. It helps the liver to produce more enzymes that aid digestion and the elimination of toxins. Finally, the vitamin C contained in lemon is a powerful antioxidant and strengthens the immune system. 3. Breathe in, breathe out. Some yoga movements help to release pressure and stress accumulated in the belly. Lying on your back, bring your knees back to your chest by wrapping your arms around them. Inhale and exhale deeply, slowly, about 10 times. Let your legs rest on your chest as long as you can. Deep breathing helps to relax your abdominal muscles and diaphragm. When you wake up or go to bed, these movements make digestion easier. 4. Eat cabbage, not cream puffs. Raw, cooked, in salad, soup, in papillote, steamed, all cabbages help the liver to eliminate toxins. In addition, they are antioxidant. Cauliflower contains as much vitamin C as orange, draining and rich in minerals. For fragile stomachs, prefer cooking in 2 waters to blanch the vegetables. Also think of other cruciferous vegetables, chard, broccoli, watercress, radish, rapini, arugula, spinach, turnip. Rich in water, minerals, vitamins C and B9, and antioxidants, they are excellent for detoxification. To be adopted daily in your plate, for a healthier diet. 5. Eat nuts. Walnuts, almonds, pistachios or hazelnuts, unsalted of course, are rich in omega-3, a fat essential to detoxify the body. They also contain vitamin E, antioxidants and magnesium. These nuts also have the advantage of satisfying hunger because they contain vegetable proteins and fibers that have an effect on satiety. 5. Drink water, of course. We recommend 1.5 liters a day, but it all depends on your body and your needs. In a period of detox, you can double this amount. The water, by infiltrating the cells, cleans the tissues and carries away toxins that will be directly evacuated in the toilets. Teas and herbal teas allow you to vary. Among the super herbal teas, choose dandelion and milk thistle. Dandelion stimulates liver function. It cleanses the liver, drains the gallbladder and kidneys, and eliminates uric acid. Its presence in the blood increases when you drink too much alcohol, eat too much protein or are overweight, and excess cholesterol. As for milk thistle, it accelerates the evacuation of bile and repairs damaged livers. It is particularly recommended in cases of cirrhosis. Thank you for spending some time with us to Natural Medicine. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video.